you know that when I started in public service sa Sibak Party List, ang budget noon ay may item na about 65,000 items. Ngayon, to be exact, that's about 235,000 items. So, hindi pa rin ako satisfied na ganun kadami nga, no? But makita mo yung pag-evolve noong ating mga ginagawa ever since we became a member of the Parliament, of Congress. And hindi pa rin tayo satisfied because until now, yung mga lump sum, ayaw natin yun. At kung totoo man yung sinasabi na may mga blanco, siguro ang maaari po posibleng mangyari is lump sum. May lump sum. So, ako, until now, ang call ko lagi is break down these lump sum items and makita kung saan talaga ito pumupunta.
So, in the past, pwede rin bang mangyari yun?